Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to see who viewed your Instagram highlights after 24 hours. First, open Instagram on your device. Next, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. In your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Archive. In the Archive section, tap on the downward arrow at the top middle of the screen and select Stories Archive from the drop-down menu. This will show you all the stories you have posted, even those older than 24 hours. Now, find and tap on the story you want to check for views. This will open the story in full screen. While viewing the story, tap on More in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the options that appear, tap on Story Insights. Here you will find detailed information about your story, including who viewed your Instagram highlights after 24 hours. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.